don't worry, don't worry. Okay, yeah. Let me get my camera. I got. At least
I'm already
Yes?
I'm already recording, bro. I got you.
It's okay. Yeah, let me just take a picture of this real quick.
Stormy's in the right center.
Save photo.
I'm in the box.
Now for the moment of truth, guys.
Imagine he gets the gown again.
Oh, show me looking dripping.
Open it.
Imagine if he got
Hey.
the again.
I'm in the box.
Open it.
Oh my god, it's a bald man. Hey,
Bro, no.
yo. I look kinda hot. Not gonna lie. Let's take a picture. Woo! Let's go.
No, not right now. I'm
What
waiting
took
for Strami.
5 hours of editing? Let's go.
Strami didn't.
We did it. Yo, we did it. Stormy got tier 2. Stormy got tier 2. We got tier 2. He got tier 2. Let's go.
No, he's getting tier 3.
Oh yeah. That's finally. Now I just have to wait for until August, guys. I just have to wait until August and try to do. I'm
It's
going
like
to.
August now, isn't it? Or was it like tomorrow was August?
Yeah, it
No,
is right now.
yeah, I mean, yeah.
My boy.
I'm talking about
I
August.
just got the tutorial down.
I'm talking about August. No, shut up. God damn it.
Okay, there we go.
Tutorial.
Got a tutorial down.
Not to say that this is like. Oh, I look good though. I thought I looked bad, but never mind. I was wrong. I was wrong.
Where'd Stormy go?
Stormy left.
Strong.
He's over.
You help. No, nigga. Charizard, I need your help. Oh, yo, Husker.
Yo, this actually feels good, dude. This actually feels good. I look so good. Okay, though. He send mine's. Yeah, he sends me. Yeah, he's gonna send you guys. He's gonna send Stormy's last because. It's because he's tier 3. Tier 3 is very special. It takes time, you know. My goal is now tier 2. But first, I need to at least enjoy and stop thinking about this. I really gotta enjoy my last month. It's just like, finally! I can't wait for that cape that's coming out. I can't. Oh, Stormy left. I can't wait for that cape though. I can't wait for the cape that's gonna come in the red one.
Charizard, I need your help. Miss.
What the fuck?
Miss.
We love. Yes. Let's go.